Hello beautiful people, you are warmly welcome back to the channel. So guys, today we are going to be making the black soap shampoo without the thickener. As you can see on your screen, I have not added any thickener to it, so I want to share that with you. If you are interested, let's take this short commercial break and your girl will be right back. You are warmly welcome back from that short commercial break. This is our star ingredient of the day, black soap or African black soap. I have shredded this African black soap, melted it, and I've strained it, ready to add my next ingredient. Very simple, you just have to make this ready. So now the next ingredient that I'm going to be adding is my humectant, and I'm using the vegetable glycerin to draw moisture to my hair anytime that I have used this black soap. This black soap is going to grow your hair. It is free from chemicals. Guys, I did this and I have been using this right from the beginning of my journey or my hair growth journey, and I have never turned back. This was the best decision that I've made on this journey, so I would like you to prepare this for yourself. So now let's get to the next ingredient. Now is the time for us to add shea butter. We are also going to add our oils for this formulation. As I said, I'm going to be leaving all the ingredients on the screen for you. Let me know if you are going to be making this black soap. It is so worth it. You will thank me later if you are able to do this. So now I'm just going to add my oils, and then we are going to add our oil to the black soap solution or formulation. Guys, if you have watched this video up to this place, please give this video a thumbs up, like this video, share this video with your friends and family. And if you have not yet subscribed and you like DIYs, you like to make products, then I'll recommend this platform for you to subscribe. Hit on that subscription button and be active. Put your notification bell on so that anytime I upload my new videos, you get access to it. You can see the type of oils that I'm adding to this formulation. I've also added my Herbal hair growth oil, part of it. We are on the journey, we want to grow our hair, and now I'm adding my peppermint and my lavender. That was the scent or my essential oils that I'm using in this formulation. So guys, we are reaching a very important section. At this stage, I am going to be adding the diesel glucoside. The diesel glucoside is going to serve as a booster. We're going to add it to our black soap to actually boost our lathering, and also we're going to use it as our thickener, because in this formulation we are not using any thickener. So that's what I'm demonstrating here, and you will see it yourself how your black soap is going to get thickened after adding these to the formulation. Now all that I need to do is to add all my ingredients. After taking the measurement, I'm just going to add everything to the formulation, and then I'm going to blend all together, and then we just need to package these, and you're going to see it packaged. Okay, I just want to remind you once again, if you have not yet liked this video, please give this video a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family. Let me know in the comment section if you will make this black soap shampoo. Now this is the condition of the black soap. You can see that it is getting thickening. Okay, you will see it later. It is going to be more thicker than what you're seeing right now. So I'm going to add the oils, and then I'm also going to add my preservative. I have 2 preservatives that I have used in this formulation because these 2 combination helps my black soap shampoo. I don't like to actually level my pH down because I want to have that natural pH. So I need to get a preservative that will, you know, match up with my black soap pH. So the 2 that I'm using in this formulation is what match up with my pH level, so it works perfectly for my black soap shampoo. So yeah, I want to just give this information. If you want to add preservative, you have to understand that the black soap it has a very natural high pH level, so you have to look for a preservative that has, you know, the same pH level or that can match up with your black soap pH level. We are almost done in making this black soap shampoo. So now, after adding my pH, I am done for the day. You are going to see this thickness. Can you see that? You can see that on your screen. We have not added any thickener. So guys, so this is the time after allowing these for some time. I am going to package my black soap, but I did something that I want to let you know if you also want to do the same. After making, I've realized that my shampoo was so thick, so the container that I'm using for this package is not going to help the consumer or my customers based on the container that I am using for this black soap shampoo. So what I did was that I have to do another batch that is more lighter to blend with these so that I can bring down the thickness. Okay, I don't know how to explain it, but you can see that the thickness is changed. This is order that I am making, and the type of tip that we have for this package is to just apply it directly to your root. You don't need to pour it into your hand. If you are going to pour it in your hand, that thickness, the first thickness was just the best, but if you are going to use it directly to your scalp without, you know, taking it from the container, it's going to be difficult for it to come through. So what I did was to dilute it by making another batch that is a thinner batch to blend with the thicker one to just reduce the thickness. I don't know if I am making sense, but I think most of you will understand what I'm trying to do. If you see the tip of the container, you will soon see that in this video. You will see that the tip is pointed, and then you can just apply it directly to your scalp. Yes, so that's what I'm trying to, you know, I just want to let you know that I did this myself. Okay, I had to just make it a little lighter, or a little yeah, lighter, not too thick, for it to be able to be easy to apply whilst you are washing your hair. And I've also used the bigger size as well. This bigger size of myself, they are for me, and the small one is an order that I am trying to fulfill. Yes, thank you for giving me your attention. So if you have watched me up to this place, let me know in the comment section if you would like to make this.